Index fingers in place, beautiful, with your tiny hands. And we're cutting. Gracefully, yes. Now, in American style, when you're finished with the knife, what do? Place it at the top of the plate. Remember the knife? Good job.
It slides down.
Okay, good. And then we switch our fork to the right hand and we enjoy our portions. Good. Now it's time to cut again. Place the fork back in your left. Retrieve your knife, index fingers in place. Beautiful. And we're cutting. Now you're finished cutting that piece. Place the knife at the top. Switch your fork to the right and enjoy that portion. Now you need to pause. In American style, yes. Well, no. We're going to pause. We're not finished yet. So you leave your knife at the top. Remember, you place your fork in the 5 o'clock position. Yes, perfect. And now take a drink for me with that stem glass, holding it at the stem and enjoy looking in. Woo, that is awesome. Now it's time for the last portion. Pick up the fork with your right hand, hand it to your left hand, index finger in place, beautiful, index, and we're cutting. Good. You're finished cutting that piece. Place it at the top. Switch your fork to the right and enjoy that portion. Now we're finished. What's your finished position? 5 o'clock. Finished? Good job. Woo!